Next is print statement. What is the use of print statement? Print statement is used to display text and numbers in the text output area. So any text written inside double quotes is printed as such. So anything written without quote is treated as a program component's value will be displayed. So with print statement, whatever we want to print, if we want to print any message, we have to write with double quotes, and in calculation there is no need to write in double quotes. So any text written in double quotes is also considered as string value. For example, kips. Next syntax for print is print message. This is the example of print statement. And print variable name, and print like this. Print, we can write variable name without quote A. So it will print the value of A, not A. So it will display the value stored in the variable of A. Next print, it will leave a blank line. If we write print statement without any variable or message, so it will leave a blank line. And if we write print A plus B, it means we are calculating a variables value A of A and B. So it will calculate the sum of values A and B and print the result. So likewise, print statement can be used with any of the arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. So know the fact we use. The assignment operator is used to assign values to the variables. Syntax, variable name, then assignment operator, then value. So it will assign the right side value in the left side variables. This operator equal. So A is equal 110. It means A value of A is 110, and B dollar equal kips. It means B variable value is kips. Next is AND statement. In the end of the program, we have to write AND statement for ending the program. It is used to indicate the end of a statement of program. So any statement written after AND will be executed. Next program displaying the use of AND statement. I will explain you. The program to show the use of AND statement, text output, CLS, then print, welcome to the world of kids computer books. It will print this message. Then AND statement below the AND is not executed. After that, print the first cramming free books. This statement will not be executed because AND we have written here. So it means the program is ending here. After that, we cannot write any line. So output will come only this line, welcome to the world of kids computer books. Okay. Now there is another. Not only the first statement will be printed because after the AND statement is used, after that the second print statement will not be executed as it is given after the AND statement. Now next topic is operators. What are operators we are using while programming? So operators are basically special symbols that have an ability to perform a specific task. Like if you want to perform addition between values in variables, so we are using plus sign, minus for subtraction. For multiplication we are using this star sign. Okay, in the computer we have to write this star sign for multiplication. It's called asterisk sign. And for division we use the slash sign. And for modules or remainder, for if we want to show the remainder, the module division, the sign name is module division. So it gives the remainder in the integer division. So these operators we are using. And like this plus, minus, and sign, and this asterisk operator are the operators. So these are helpful in performing mathematical calculations. An expression is a representation of value that combine constants and or variable using mathematical operations. So operators, Z is variable, this equal sign is also operator, this is the constant, this is plus sign is also operator, and this is the constant. So the expression we are writing like this, Z is equal to 2 plus 5. Some other example of expressions are like x is equal to y slash 2, c is equal to b minus a, W is equal to 20 plus X. So basic 256 use three types of operators, which are as follows: arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. So let us understand the use of arithmetic operators in basic 256. So understanding arithmetic operators. So this is the chart of arithmetic operators. These operators can be used with numeric constants or variables. So a computer performs arithmetic operations and calculations with the help of this arithmetic operators. For plus, to add two numbers, plus sign we will write, and result is 5. And for subtraction like this, and for multiplication like this, and all the after calculation the value will be assigned in I variable. Okay. Now the basic arithmetic operators are given in the following table. So plus, for explanation, to add two numbers. Example, a plus b, it will give the result if a value of a is 8 and b value of b is 4, then after a plus b the result will be 12. And for minus, to subtract two or more numbers, a minus b, and answer will be 4. Star, to multiply two or more numbers, a multiplied by b, answer will be 32. To divide two or more numbers, a divided by b, answer will be 2. So to calculate exponential value, after this answer will be 512. So let us understand these operators with the help of simple program. Program number 6, to display the use of arithmetic operators. So program to display the use of arithmetic operator is CLS. Then x is equal to 200. The value of x is 200. Will assign, the operator used to assign a value to a variable. Y is equal to 120. Z is equal to x plus y. It means the plus operator will add the value of x and y. The value of x and y is, x value is 200 and y value is 120. So it will print z, the sum of x and y values stored in the variable z is printed. So z is equal to x minus y. So if after that if we print z, it will give the minus value of x and y. So and z is equal to x multiplied by this multiplication operator will calculate the product. After, if we'll print after multiplication z, it will give the multiply output, and x divided by y, the division operator will divide the value of x divided by y. Then print z will print quotient that's stored in the variable z, and x carried to exponent operator will calculate the raised to the power of x. Okay, it means x power 2. In the computer we can write only the power with this exponent operator. Okay, so value of x, then print z. So you can see all the outputs over here. First it will plus the 200 plus 120, answer will be 320, and x minus y, answer will be 80, x multiplied by, answer will be 24,000, and after division output will be this, and after the exponent operator answer will be 40,000. So, okay, so it is clear all the arithmetic operators to you. Now next program, to find the average marks. If we want to find the average marks, so follow this program. The clear screen. English marks is 50, Hindi marks is 68, Maths marks will be 35. If we want to calculate the total, we can write like this. Total, it's a variable with sum of respective variables. So sum of respective variables will be assigned in total variable. Okay. Now next, print. If we want to print total marks, this will display the text given in double quotes, only message total marks, and after that total, it is the variable with the value of all the sum of English marks, Hindi marks and maths marks. So 50 plus 68 plus 35. So answer will be printed with this variable. So print this will leave the blank line because we did not written any statement or variable with this print statement. After that, print average marks. If we want to calculate the average marks, so we have to divide total with 3. Okay, 3 subjects we have now, so we have to calculate the average. So total divided by 3. This will print the value of variable total after dividing it by 3. So after that we have to write, and the output will be here total marks 153 and average marks after calculating 153 divided by 3 is 51. Okay, so this is the program for finding the average marks. Next is hierarchy of operations. What is the meaning of hierarchy? Hierarchy defines the order in which the operators are executed according to the rules of precedence. Okay, that you have learned in maths class also, board mass. So there is no board mass there in computer. This is bed mass. So O for off. So off it none of the meaning in computer. So E we have to use E for exponent. Okay, so in the basic 256 we use bed mass to evaluate an expression. So expression are evaluated following the same rules as we do in the mathematics using board mass. So the order of execution starts from the left to right. Okay, B for brackets, E for exponentation, this is the exponentiation sign, and D for division or multiplication. After that A S is addition and subtraction. So high priority to low priority. So there is one example for hierarchy. Solve this expression. So first we have to calculate the brackets. Okay, brackets will be solved. After that output will be this. 14 plus 4 it's 18. Now all rest of the digit we will write as it is. Next exponent values will be solved. 2 carried 2 it means. So okay, then multiplication and division will be solved. After that output will be this, and 48 plus 18. Then next step addition subtraction will be calculated, 70 plus 2. After that answer will be 68. Okay, solve this expression your rough copy on your own. After that you can understand well. Now next, understanding arithmetic operators in basic 256. For print employee name, monthly salary and daily salary using the input statement. Now we will write this program. Name, it's with dollar sign, it means it's a string variable and the value is Aditi. We have written Aditi. Any name we can written with if it's in double quotation, it will assign in the name string variable. After the salary, it's a numeric variable and value is 25,000 and days 30. Days is also variable with 30 value, and day underscore salary, it is also valid variable name, and salary divided by days. Okay, salary divided by days. Then print daily salary of Aditi. So print day salary. It will give the output like this. Daily salary of Aditi is 833 rupees. Okay, so we can calculate. To calculate the total cost of pens, if you want to calculate the total cost of pens, so print message cost of one pen is C variable we have taken for this, and the value of C is 15. After that print C cost of 20 pen, C multiplied by 20, then and the output will be cost of one pen is 15, then cost of 20 pen will be 300. So with this we can calculate with any operators. Now there is some recall points. We have done the chapter, so you have to read the chapter again and do all the programs on your own. So some basic points: set of instructions called a program, 56 programming language used for beginners, character set is defined set of symbols used in programming language, and the value that does not change during the execution of program is called constants. And constants are of two types.